Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening Shopify and choosing Send or Receive. This kicks off the transfer flow. Grant storage and any required permissions so the app can write into your gallery. Then, select the exact video file you want to share, check its size and duration, and tap Send. Once a sender or receiver is visible, accept the connection prompt. Make sure the receiving device's screen stays awake while the transfer negotiates the connection. This avoids interruption and speeds handshakes. Once the devices connect, via hotspot or Wi-Fi direct, watch the transfer progress bar closely because interruptions are most likely here. Close heavy background apps to stabilize throughput and do not switch networks mid-transfer. When the incoming file prompt appears on the receiver, pick Accept and then choose Save to Gallery or the Photos app target folder. This writes the video into your media store so gallery apps index it. Finally, wait for the confirmation message before closing Shopify. To finish, open your gallery and locate the video. If it's not visible, trigger a media rescan or restart the device so the media store refreshes. Make sure the file format is compatible. MP4 is ideal. Some phones struggle with MKV or unusual codecs. If the video still doesn't appear, use a file manager to move it into DSIM, Movies, or Pictures so gallery apps index it. And if transfers repeatedly fail, toggle Wi-Fi and storage permissions, then retry the Shopify transfer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.